Hi guys, welcome to my next video. Today I'll make a video solution to 2020 AMC 10 2021 number 20. Say it's basically find number of ways to rearrange find number of ways to rearrange 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 such that no 3 consecutive terms are increasing or decreasing. No, and decreasing. Basically, what's it asking is that, let's say, so let me give you an example. This cannot be, no, because this is increasing, this is decreasing. Let me give you an example of correct one, okay? This is a correct one because you can see that no 3 consecutive terms are absolutely increasing or decreasing. 1 through 2 is not, 3 through 5 is not, and 2, 5, 4 is not. Okay. So how are we gonna solve this problem? So first, I'm gonna draw 5 lines. This we can use the idea of symmetry. So basically, the let's say if we mark this 1, 3, 4, 5, we just find this total number of this kind of arrangement so that 5 is on the number 4 digit or 5 is on the number 5 digit, then this will be the same as these two, and then we just add this. Basically, we add this, we add these two, and then we find this, right? And this is gonna be our solution. So let's start. So the first case is that we find number of arrangement that's in the middle. If we find this middle and then we find these two, and then we can just multiply number of arrangement with these two times these two and plus this two. Plus the number of arrangement when 5 is in the middle. So if 5 is in the middle, then we can't have a 1 in either side, because if we have a 1 here or 1 here, then being in the decreasing order, right? So the first case is that this is 4 and this is 3. Then okay, these two can either be 1 or 2, so this will be 1 or 2, and there will be 2 factorial. And this is also interchangeable because 1 and 2 are all smaller than 3, right? This is also 2 factorial. So basically, the first case will be 2 factorial square. And then we can also have 4 and 2. This is another case. So 4 5 2. Then, but here we can't have 3, because if it's 3, then these will be in a decreasing order. So, which means this must be 1. And there will be, by symmetry, there will be another one. So there's only result us in 2 ways, which means if 5 is in the middle, then there are 6 ways for total. So now we want to find the second case. Let's say 5 is the last one. Okay. Then 4 can't be here. If 4 is here, then there will always be a 3 term that's going to be increasing or decreasing. So 4 can only be here. 4 can't be here because if 4 is here, then the last 3 term must be in increasing order. So 4 must be here. If 4 is here, then we can have a 1 here. No, we can't have a 1, because if we have a 1, then both 2 and 3 over here, then this will be in increasing order, which means the only 2 possible choices are 2 and 3. If it's 2, then we will only have 1 possible way, which is 2, 1, 4, 3, 5. Our only possible way, and you can't have a, if 2 is here, you can't have a 3, so you can only have a 1, so there's only 1 way. Let's do 3. Then we can have a 2 and 1 here, or we can have a 1 and 2 here, so it's 2 factorial, so the total will be 3. There will be 3 ways if 4 is in the middle and 5 is the last digit. And let's say, how about if 5 is in the last one, but 4 is in the first one? This can also work, but there's only 2 ways. So, which means 3 must be in the middle. So for the rest 3, the largest one must be in the middle, which means 3 is here, then 1, 2 can both work, so which means 2 factorial, which is 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So 5 for when so there will be 5 ways when 4 is in the first one and 5 is the last one. Right? Total of if 5 is not, there will be total of 5 ways if 5 is the last one. And the third case is when 5 is in the fourth one. Then we can have any number in the last one. So there will be 4 choices. 1, 2, 3, or 4. But we have to realize that any number you can have this, then this one is guaranteed to be the largest. Then the second digit is guaranteed to be the largest of the remaining 3. It'll be the remaining 3 largest. Because if you have the smallest, then this must be in increasing order. And if you have a second smallest, then this will be decreasing or increasing. So this can only be the largest one. And these two, if this is the largest one, then these two are interchangeable, which results in 2 factorial. And then we know that there are 4 of them, which means 2 factorial times 4, which is 8 ways. And then we just basically, as I said before, we want to add 5 as 4 digit, 5 as 4th digit, plus 5 as last digit, number of rearrangement when 5 is the last digit, and 5 as number of arrangement when 5 as the 4th digit. We add this, and then we multiply this by 2, and then plus the number of rearrangement when 5 is the 3rd digit. When 5 is the middle digit, then how many numbers are there? So we know that this is 6, and this And when 5 is the fourth digit, then there will be 8. If 5 is the last digit, then there will be 5. So, which means 13 times 2 plus 6 is equal to 32 ways of rearrangement, and this is our solution. Thank you for watching.